Hello, welcome to Just Prime, and as part of this video we are going to see Java ternary operator, and we are going to see what is the syntax of ternary operator usage, and with an example we are trying to understand it, and we are going to see how ternary operator is difference between if-else statement. So basically we are going to see the syntax, usage of the ternary operator, and what's the difference between ternary operator and if-else statement. Okay, so let's jump into one of the example. Yeah. So if you see my Eclipse window, I have already written a simple Java class name is ternary operator and a main statement, and inside that I have already written a simple if-else statement what we have already seen in the previous video. I have declared a variable called max number, and I have taken two more variables, n1 equal to 10 and n2 equal to 40. So these are the three variables I have declared. After that I just used a simple if-else statement to find the max number of n1 and n2. Okay, so if n1 greater than n2, then I'm assuming n1 is max number, else I'm assuming max number is n2 and I am printing the max number. So this is the simple if-else statement which will find the max number among between two numbers. Okay, so let me run this program and see the results. Yes, so it's printing the result perfectly, and 10 and 20, so in these two, 20 is max number. Okay, so now this example is clear and if-else statement is working. Now the main agenda of this video is, so we have to use ternary operator instead of else statement, if-else statement. So how we are going to use it? So let me comment out this if-else statement. Yes, I commented out this if-else statement. So instead of that, I'm going to use a ternary operator. So the ternary operator syntax is very simple and it will be in one line. Okay, so let me take max number equal to n1 greater than n2 ternary operator. So this is the ternary operator symbol question mark if n1 greater than n2. So I'm assuming or I'm assigning the value n1 to max number, else I'm going to assign to n2. So this is very simple and in one line statement. So here the syntax is very clear. So if n1 is greater than n2, so then n1 will be assigned to max number, else if this statement is false, then n2 will be assigned to max number. Okay, so let me rerun the same program and let me show you the results what it will print. So basically it is printing the number max number as 20 and the result is perfect. So we can able to replace the if-else statement with ternary operator with a single line, right? And if you see the if-else statement, it's occupied almost 5 lines. So 5 lines we replace with single line. So this is one of the basic difference between ternary operator and if-else statement. So basically we can say the ternary operator is a shorthand or simplified form of if-else statement, and it will take less space. Similarly, we can able to replace multi if-else statement with multi ternary operator, but that is not advisable because multi ternary operator will be in single line and it's not that much readability. So whenever we have a requirement, like if you want to compare between two numbers or two operands, so then go for ternary operator. If you want to compare more than two, then my suggestion is go for if-else statement, and if-else multi if-else statements are more readable than multi-nested ternary operator. So this is the basic difference between if-else statement and ternary operator. Yeah, I think you might have enjoyed the video, and if you like the video you can click the like button and subscribe the channel for more subsequent updates, and thank you.